Borche successfully held 2025 Partner Appreciation Conference. Amidst smart digital transformation reshaping the injection molding industry, Borche continues to spearhead innovation through technological breakthroughs. On February 18th, Borche 2025 Partner Appreciation Conference was held at the Kangjian Shared Center, with more than 120 partners gathering to discuss deepening cooperation under the background of digital intelligence and charting a blueprint for future development. At the conference, Borche also shared the achievements of digital transformation and innovation from different departments with its partners to create brilliance together. In the era of digital intelligence, Borche and its partners are united in their journey to create brilliance together.